So the place where we are sitting, this is called Priya Kunda. Priya Kunda or Pilli Pokhor, synonym. But it is inside Barsana. What is Barsana? What is meaning of Barsana?
To shower,
Huh?
to shower love, prema.
Brish Barsane.
This person.
Brish Barsane means raining. So here Radharani's blessing is always raining. Radharani is showering the blessing always here. So it is Barsana. So here 24 hours a day the blessing is like shower of the rain. So Barsana is very important place. If we come here, then Radharani's blessing will come out.
Maybe you hold it right here.
Okay. So there is a verbal root in Sanskrit, Brish Barsane, means like raining or shower. In Barsana, the shower or rain of Radharani always 24 hours raining. So just you have to come and receive that. Like rain is coming. If you are full and close the door and sleep at room, inside room, then you will get nothing. The raining is there. But if you close the door and sleep in your bed inside the room, then rain will not benefit you. You cannot get the benefit of raining if that time you close the door and sleep in your room. Rain is giving water to everyone. But who is taking the advantage of raining, not sleeping, not closing the door, and taking the bucket or any utensil and collecting the rain water, then he will get benefit. But who will close the rooms and sleep without any thinking of raining, then he will not get the drop. Similarly, in Barsana, Radharani is showering the mercy to everyone. But if he will sleep like the conditioned living entities, without remembering to Radharani, who is Radharani, what is her mercy, what is her identity, what is our relationship with Radharani, if we don't try to know, just come to Barsana, then we cannot get a proper fruit of Barsana. Like rain is coming, but if we stay inside the room, then we cannot get benefit of raining. To get the benefit of raining, we need bring one bucket or a utensil to collect the water. Then only we will be properly benefited. Similarly, we have to bring the pot or bucket or qualification to contain that water. What is that qualification? Just under guidance of Guru and Vaishnavas, we should try to know what is our identity, what is Radharani's identities, then